Alright, this is my Minecraft cell project. So, prior to making this video, I'm actually kind of sick. So I might not be that loud, or I might actually kind of sound boring. Well, anyways, this is my Minecraft house, and I don't have a roof on it to get this nice bird's eye view kind of thing going on, you know? It's not because I'm lazy or anything. Okay, anyways, um, I'm the player that's controlling everything in this house. That's kind of like the nucleus of a cell because the cell is responsible for directing cellular activity. Okay, and right all around my house is these glass pane walls. They surround my house, they protect me from weird people. That's just like the cell membrane actually, that serve as a barrier for the cell, and it's semi-permeable. Thus, it doesn't let weird things go into the cell. Okay, the wooden plank floor right here is like the cytoplasm because it lets me put my stuff down and it has necessary distance between each object. It's just like the cytoplasm of a cell because it lets the organelles be suspended all around the cell, just like my wooden plank floor. Okay, next we have the vacuoles, or what I'm comparing it to is the double chests I have here. It has great amount of storage for me to put all my weird stuff into. It can also hold a lot of food, this amount. And yeah, it's like the vacuoles because the vacuoles store necessary amount of water, fat, and other nutrients for the cell to use. Next we have the endoplasmic reticulum. Um, I compare it to the hoppers because my hoppers, um, these hoppers are very goofy looking pipelines that do all the transporting stuff for me because I don't want to do it by myself. And next we have the smoker furnace. The smoker furnace is my meat cooker, and it's pretty convenient when attached directly to my hoppers. It lets me cook meat, and it lets it be transported into my food bank here, and it all does that remotely. It's just like the ribosomes, no, which are known to be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, which I compared to the hoppers before this. And the ribosomes are also capable of assembling amino acid into proteins with the process of protein synthesis. It's just like how the smoker is cooking raw pork chop, which can be amino acids, and it's a good comparison when knowing that meat is protein. And anyways, these two little puppers here, Alistair and Chuck, these guys are my lovely dogs. They're very protective, and they all start committing first degree murders on things that I inflict commanding punch on. To demonstrate, I'll spawn a chicken egg, and there's a chicken right here. And if I let them stand and I punch the chicken, they'll immediately kill it for me. These guys are like the lysosomes of a cell because the lysosomes defend against bad bacteria through the commanding order of the nucleus. Which is like, again, let's say this chicken is a bacteria and I punch it, they'll go into striking mode immediately. And anyways, next we have the mitochondria. These are the mitochondrias. Yeah, right here. I say these are the mitochondrias because these are my daylight detectors. They produce power by getting energy from the sun, and I use it to power my lamps. To show this, let's see, time set day. And as I do that, they get energy from the sun, and energy is depicted by these red stones. See, energy is flowing, and it flows into my lamps, and it powers them. This is like the mitochondria because mitochondria is popularly known as the powerhouse of the cell. And they convert chemical energy into sugars. They convert chemical energy in sugars to energy that can be used by the cells. Finally, we have the Golgi apparatus. Now, this is my favorite one, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, this is the Golgi apparatus is like my minecart thing here, my minecart mechanism. Now, this is like the Golgi apparatus because it gains stuff from the endoplasmic reticulum and it transports things out of the cell, or in this case, my house. To show that, I'll drop some iron ingots, or oh yeah, I think this is copper ingots. But yeah, as I drop these into the endoplasmic reticulum, and as the cell uses it up, might take a while here. But yeah, as the cell uses it up, it will turn itself into like waste, which can be then transported to the endoplasmic reticulum and into the chest here. Now, with a slight push, it will go and exit the cell, which is semi-permeable. Anyways, that's it. That's my house, my Minecraft cell house. Thank you for watching. And also, I'm very sorry that I'm sick when I'm recording this. I swear it's not corona.